Did you know that right now your body is constantly rebuilding itself? You are a living, breathing, self-healing machine. But how does it actually work? It starts with your cells. Every day, billions of old cells die and are replaced. Your body is a master of regeneration, creating new tissues for your bones, your blood, and your organs from the inside out. Pushed yourself a little too hard? When you exercise, you create tiny micro tears in your muscles. Your body's response? To rebuild them even stronger, specialized cells rush to the site, fusing together to heal and fortify the muscle fibers. And on the outside, your skin is your first line of defense. From a tiny paper cut to a scrape, your body launches an immediate complex healing cascade. Platelets form a clot, and new skin cells are generated to seal the wound, often leaving it like new. But the real magic happens when you're not even awake. Sleep isn't just rest, it's the main event. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, kicking all these repair processes into high gear. It's your body's ultimate power down and repair cycle. Every single day, your body performs countless miracles to keep you going. It's a testament to the incredible, intricate design of you.